want to talk to you.
All right. I'm listening.
Ifeanyi, you remember the promise you made to go through me when you first wanted to see her?
Okay.
Let me remind you. You know, as children in the primary school, you asked me to tell Ego that she was going to be your future wife. We all laughed about this as kids and thought it was a joke. But lo and behold, every single statement you made has come to be.
Is this all you came here to tell me?
Ifeanyi wants to remind you that Ego is your future wife. But from the way things are going, I mean, if you're not careful, you lose her to someone else.
That is your plan. Oh, you think I haven't heard? Huh? You think I don't know of your plans to hand Ego over to Chief Ume? You're surprised. I know of all your plans. Now get out of my house.
Ifeanyi, I don't understand. You said this about me? Hold on. So if you hear things about me, I mean, things like that, you believe Mo Adede will betray you. Listen, you see those people feeding you with those lies, they are your real enemies. A stitch in time, safe snap. I am not planning against you. Ego is not doing something either. Think well before the journey leaves the bottle. I leave you in peace.
Move it. Get out.
So how did it go?
Very well, Chief. Yeah.
Have they finished erecting the parapet?
Oh, they were fixing it as I was leaving the site, Chief. Yes.
So work continues tomorrow?
Hopefully. But Chief, how did they erect the first one that it fell?
Do I know? I thank God none of them died. Yes, people would have scandalized my name, that I use my workers for money ritual.
Thank God, yeah? Thank God.
You see, such things do occur, and
It's not easy. Devil will always try. Exactly.
so...
Good day. Thank you, sir.
What are you looking at?
Oh, sorry, Chief. I was actually meditating. Oh, yes.
Now listen. That girl is my maid. I'll lock you up if you messes up with her.
Oh, Chief, trust me now. You know I can't do such a thing, huh? You don't trust me again?
Well, our discussion continues tomorrow.
Oh, it's okay, Chief. Oh, Chief, let me be going now.
That's all right.
Thank you, sir.
Liverpool. Salah is there, Salah. What? My God. Listen. Listen, Akudo, calm down. Calm down. Where? Oh my God. I'll be right there.
Chief, is everything alright?
I saw the lock, that's a fatal one.
Chief, is he okay?
He's dead.
Jesus.
Sir?
Go and get the car ready, eh?
Okay, sir.
How am I supposed to know when it happened? I just told you now that we heard Chief's voice and then we ran to his room only for him to break the news to us that his son-in-law was involved in an accident that took his life. Are you not getting what I'm saying? You're telling me you want to come. To come and do what? Me, I don't know how long you will be staying. No. What do you mean by you will not stay long? Don't come. Just stay there. Later, don't come out. Don't come home.
Baby, you know I love you so much.
I know.
You know, right?
I know. My love.
Baby.
Why didn't you tell me your mind that day?
Baby, are you okay? Like, I should have told you how much I love you in front of Chief.
What's there? Oh, are you not a man?
Baby, you know it's not possible. Come on. Baby, you know what? Chief said if he catches me with you, that he's gonna shoot me. I'm just being careful. I don't want to die. You know what I'm saying?
I get you.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Chief is back. Chief, how did he go?
His body has been taken to the mortuary.
Hi! Ah! Oh. Ah. God knows the best.
The way you're shivering, shaking as if something is happening inside the room.
Visitor? Ha! Rufus, I have been mourning since, so can't you see that my eyes are red? In fact, I don't even know. I don't know what to do again. I've been mourning. I don't have any visitor. I don't even know anybody in this place. Ha!
Anyway, it's none of my business. Come and lock the gates. Chief asked me to get something for him.
Thank God. I've been mourning since. You're here asking me.
Baby, where is he going?
Well, I don't think they'll be coming anytime soon.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, I love that, baby.
He said they actually came to pick up something.
Oh my God! That will give us enough chance to do our things, you know what I'm saying?
Do what? Look at this one. Are you Jackie? You're not tired?
I don't understand. Remember, you taught me how to be a bad boy.
You're so naughty.
You know that, right?
Please, I'm tired though. I can't even do anything
I need
again.
to look one, just one.
Which one?
Please,
If you went down, that means it's Papa and Mama.
I need it.
I'll
don't
just
care.
stay like that.
I don't care.
Like log of food.
Just.
Me, I don't have strength to.
Just.
Tired. I'm tired.
My baby.
Apo kini ko mere giranu yaka oti kini ko mere rapunu ya oti what do she did to you leave her woman bitter leave her alone woman bitter what did she did to you leave her.
My husband, you've not touched your food.
Take that nonsense out of my sight.
If I listen, if there's anything I can do, it is cooking. What did you just call the food I made? The food I took my time to prepare. You call it what? What's the meaning of this now? No, what's the meaning of this? Now let me tell you. What I'm trying to do is just to make things right between you and I. That's all. How can you call my food nonsense?
You're raising your voice. Don't let me lose my temper.
If I please. What is this? Every time you blame me, you complain that I cook only to sell. Now I've cooked for the family. You refuse to touch it. You're just wasting my food. You know what? You are certainly a sadist.
What did you say? I'm a sadist. Me, Fanny, a sadist. Oyala.
If I leave me alone, leave me alone. Leave me alone. You're a sadist. A sadist. Sadist.
Oyala. Your generation that are sadists. Your grandfather, sadist. Your father, sadist. Your forefathers, sadist. All of you in your generation, sadist. Sadist. Sadist.
Jealousy and never give fair. My husband, I love my husband. I love my husband. I love my husband.
Mama, Auntie Rita, our people say a stitch in time saves 9. Mama, what I am saying and taking in this marriage is not what I bargained for. It is not what I bargained for. I love Ifeanyi, yes, and that is why I'm tolerating all this in this marriage. But right now, I have come to the realization that I am no longer in this marriage. I'm not interested. It's not working.
So, what exactly are you trying to say?
Mama, you just heard me. I want to go. I want out. I am done. I'm not interested in this marriage anymore. I've had enough. I've had it up to here. I want to leave.
Ego, you think it is the best thing to do?
Mama, God knows I have tried my best for this marriage to work. I won't kill myself.
Ego, marriage is for better and for worse. You shouldn't give up on your marriage just like that. Give my brother some time. I'm sure he will change. One day, give Ifeanyi time. I'm sure he will change.
Oh. You see, I am beginning to believe what Ifeanyi said about you. He said that your plan is to marry Chifume. Well, if that is the reason you want to divorce my son, no problem.
That's not my plan. That's not my plan. I just want to leave. I've tried. I want to go. I want to leave.
There you go.
Ego, what is it? Why are you crying?
Why is Ifeanyi doing this to me? Why? Is it because I'm an orphan? Is it because I don't have anyone to speak for me? Why? Why is he doing this to me? Why?
It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
Just look at my shop. Bushi, look at my shop. No single customer, not even one, not even fowl, or ant, or cockroach, or rat. No single customer. Nothing. If I has chased all my customers away, what did I do to him? What have I done to him? Why is he treating me like this? Why? 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 Why no customers?
I know Ifeanyi is a bad man. He is. In fact, he is a beast. Yes. You see, Ego, listen. I would have treated you well. I would have treated you like a queen that you are if you had agreed to marry me instead of Ifeanyi.
What is wrong with you?
But it's not late though. It's not late though.
I don't understand. Why are you telling me this? What's the meaning of this now?
Ego, are you Chikwanyage? Why are you sounding like this? You are a beautiful woman, for God's sake. You need a man that can pamper you, treat you well. Why will a man be beating you? I don't understand. So listen, I nearly fought Ifeanyi the other day because of you. You need a man that can serve you breakfast on bed, treat you well. Listen, you don't even need to stress yourself doing all these things. You need a man that can be sponsoring you. At least your shop now, I need to put some cash, please. You need to expand it, for more customers to come.
It's okay, just go. Leave my shop. Go.
Listen,
Bushi, leave my shop. I'll tell. If you don't leave, I will tell your friend what you just said. Leave my shop.
Listen. You don't deserve.
Bushi, go, please. I don't want to just vent this anger on you. Just go.
Listen. You don't deserve all these things.
Bushi, go.
You need a man.
Bushi, go. Leave, I beg. Leave. I'm not ready for this. Bushi, go.
I know what I'm saying. I don't want you to regret.
Keep whatever you're saying to yourself. Just go. Bushi, are you okay?
Listen, I want the best for you. Accept me. There's still time.
Keep the best for yourself. Get out. I don't need your best. Just go. If you make me get angry, I will tell Ifeanyi this thing you just said.
You will regret it.
You will regret it too.
I can't regret
You will regret it too. My friend gets out. Sleep here. You will regret it too.
Okay.
Imagine this thing.
You will regret it.
Marry who?
Know what I'm saying?
Please go.
Sarge, go. There's this space for you.
Can you imagine this thing? I don't blame you now. It's Ifeanyi that is causing this nonsense. Not for Ifeanyi. Will I take this nonsense from you? Just look at my shop. He's so pity me and telling me nonsense. You can't give me money now bring customers for me. No, you're telling me you want to marry yourself. Oh God. Sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where are you heading?
Ego's place.
Ego's place. Okay, come in, let me drop you.
Oh, hey, that's nice of you. Thank you. Why is
is Ego lying on the floor? Ego?
Ego!
Is she okay? Ego? Ego, please stand up from that place. Ego! Ego! Ego!
This is poison.
What?
This is poison. This is poison.
Ego, why? Oh, no. Ego! Oh! Ego! Ego, why will you? Ego, why? Ego!
See the way you're enjoying it.
Hi, Mom.
And I go able. Don't sing again while eating, so that the food will not go the wrong way.
Ifeanyi!
Oh, give me what?
Ifeanyi! Hey!
What is it?
Ego! Hi! Mama, something terrible has happened.
Eh?
Mama,
Mama,
ignore this voice. Listen, my friend. As you can see, my mother and I are having a very serious and peaceful discussion. We don't want this kind of nonsense. Now, if you don't have anything reasonable to say, just get out of this place.
How? How can he get out when he has not even given us the news?
Man, this boy has nothing to say.
Hey!
You don't know him.
What happened?
Mama, I say, Mama, her shop was razed by fire. And Ego is nowhere to be found. People believe that she was inside the shop. Hey! Arwe Mego! Chai! Ego! Ego! Hey! Hey!
Get me water to drink immediately.
Chief, I didn't buy the chicken pepper soup again.
Hope you're not kidding me. You're joking.
No, sir, I'm not joking. Something happened. Chief, her shop was razed down by fire this afternoon. I think she's dead.
Hope this is not a joke. We first be serious for once. The lady I just saw this morning.
Chief, I'm not joking. People around here say she was inside when the fire started, but she couldn't come out.
Let this be a joke. I hope it is a joke. Now get me water.
My daughter-in-laws customer, okay?
Bon,
I've seen you people there.
Are you Ego's mother-in-law?
Yes.
The shop was razed down by fire. The shop is burning. It's
Ntibia,
burning right
Ntibia.
now.
Oku.
Ha!
Fire. Ego kwanu.
I said the shop and they go everything burnt
Madam,
down.
are you still asking
Burnt.
questions?
Ego one. Oh, nothing happened to her.
No, nothing. Go and see
Go,
with
go,
yourself.
go. Start going.
Hey.
My man, I don't understand. Do not trouble yourself that much. Eh? Why are all these things? Is it this is an opportunity for you to start up a new life? Ego was never your wife. And you know it. So why are all these things? I mean, I'm disappointed. Eh? Mama.
Yeah, it's fine. Is it that you are not moved by everything that is happening? Eh?
Mama, he has been here crying,
Fine,
crying since morning, crying. Mama, forget about all these things Ifan is doing. Rapiyani no name. He really loves Ego so much. He's just pretending.
You think so?
Mama, you don't trust me again? He's my friend and I know him very well. Huh? Chai! What a tragic end. Ego gone just like that. Eh? Mama, Ifan will face government though. He must face government.
My dear, what happened?
Good work. You see, I didn't really want to say it before her. Yes, I didn't. Before I got there, her shop was already gutted by fire. It was already gutted by fire.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I had to leave immediately.
This is so sad. So what caused the fire outbreak?
I suspect it was the pot she left on the fire that caused it.
So how are we going to tell her about this now?
Tell her? No. In the circumstance, if we do that, it would aggravate her situation. So we won't tell her.
See, if Ego does not leave this guy, she might end up meeting her early death. But I thank God she narrowly escaped it this time.
So, has the husband come yet?
That one. I've been calling him since he's not taking my calls.
Why is he funny behaving like that? Eh? Please, my husband. I think you should go and tell him what happened.
Yeah.
You are right.
It's okay. Not a bad idea. I will do that, okay? I'll do that. Let me run along. If I'll see him. Okay. All right, darling. Take care of yourself, eh?
Okay.
Let's do it. Okay.
Please.
Take care.
Be careful, yeah?
I will.
There you go. I want her.
Ifan. Ifan, yeah. I've come to see you. I want you to talk. I've come to see you concerning your wife.
Second-hand news. Already heard everything about my wife. So what you have is the second-hand news. What else have you come here to do?
Ifan,
So you heard about what happened to your wife, and you're still here like this?
I beg, Chief, let me sit down. No, I should not be here like this. I should go and jump inside the fire with her so that both of us will be gone. Gone too soon.
If I know what you mean by that.
Hey, Daddy. Stop this. Why are you disturbing this young man? I don't like it. Why are you disturbing him? Allow him to rest.
I wonder.
It's not the cause of the fire that burns Ego and her shop. Allow him to rest because...
What do you mean by that? Did you just say this?
Yeah, of course.
Well... No. What he is trying to say is that my daughter-in-law is dead.
I reject it. I reject it. Ego is not dead, Mama. She's not.
Mama, can you just tell this idiot to leave our house? Or do you want me to chase you first? Get out of this place now. Huh?
Ifeanyi, your wife is in the hospital because of the poison she took trying to kill herself because of you. Because of the way you maltreat her.
Because of you.
Who? Are you saying that Ego is not dead? Ego is alive?
Yes, Mama. Mama, Ego is still alive. Ego is not dead. Uduak and I took her to the hospital when we found her lying on the floor in her shop. Uduak has been calling Ifeanyi ever since. She has called Ifeanyi's line, but he refused to pick.
Mom, take me to the hospital.
It's okay, ma. Eni, are you not going with us?
No. Why should I go with you?
He
drank the poison that doesn't kill.
Come on!
Huh?
Fine.
Let her come. Let me give her the address.
But it's not right.
Come on, get out of here. Go
Is that the wife?
Get out of here.
Get out.
Go on here.
You go and get one.
Nah, Biaba, forget Ifeanyi.
Huh? Don't go and marry.
Very useless.
Be going about talking about people's wife.
Kehinalo, Buchi, what do you do? Birds of the same feather.
And as for Ego, she went to drink the poison that doesn't kill. Let her come. Let me give her one address. It's one way, and they won't be talking about hospital. They'll be talking about mortuary.
Welcome, Chief.
Did anybody look for me?
No, Chief. Chief, are you hungry? Let me go prepare something for you.
No, not at all. I need rest. I'm so tired.
Okay, sir.
Find that wizard again, please.
Okay, sir.
Let's talk in the evening.
Sir, it's Dede.
Let him come in.
Okay, sir.
Good afternoon, Chief.
Good afternoon, Chief.
How are you?
Chief, I'm hunky-dory. Like you just got in.
Yes, and from the look on your faces, it looks like something bad happened.
Yes, Chief. Chief, it is Ego.
What about her?
You know her now, the girl you helped the other time. She's been hospitalized.
What happened? I said, let's discuss in the evening. I'm so tired, please.
Can we talk a little?
You see, I'm happy you are the one who is realizing all these things. You never believed me when I do tell you. You see, in life, it's not everything or everyone you must tolerate. You have to let some people go. Yeah.
As soon as she comes back, she will definitely leave my house.
And how do you hope to send her away? You know how clengy ego can be.
Do not worry yourself about that. By the time I am through with her, she will leave the house on her own.
How will you send her away? Have you suddenly turned a magician? Because I know ego is very stubborn.
Just wait and watch.
If you say so. Let's keep watching.
Ifeanyi!
What did she do to you? Leave her.
Ifeanyi!
Leave her alone.
Ifeanyi! Ifeanyi!
All your strength on her. Well,
Ifeanyi!
all your strength is on her.
Ifeanyi, speak again!
Joblessness, yeah, bugagi, oh. Jealousy, make her give Unknown-kitty away from my job. It's written all over you. Why are you like this? Can't you
It's fine.
Rap on the one year. Apo kini ko pere kini ko pere rap on the ya. What did she do to you? Leave her. Woman bitter. Leave her alone. Woman bitter.
Imagine how I'm driving round this area as if Ego is my wife. I mean, imagine. The man in question is nowhere to be found. The so-called husband, nowhere to be found. What a life. What a life. I mean, if someone had told me Ifeanyi would turn to become a thing like this, I wouldn't have believed. A nightmare. I mean, a total disappointment. How? This is not Ifeanyi. KNM, KNM, what's going on? KNM. This was not Ifeanyi now. total nightmare, no longer himself.
Lord have mercy.
Have mercy.
All your strength on her. Why all your strength is on her? Joblessness, bugagio. Jealousy, megagi fair. On kitty away from my job. It's written all over you. Why are you like this? Can't you change? Rapunuania. Apo kini ko mereki ranu yaka. Kini ko mere rapunuya. What did she did to you? Leave her. Leave her alone. What did she did to you? Leave her. Leave her alone.
No. Buchi!
Beware of friends you keep, 'cause some friendly friends, they are everywhere. Beware of people around you, 'cause they will kill you without a trace. So be warned, 'cause this teaching time saves nine. Apo kini ko mere giranu yaka. Kini ko mere rapunu ya. What did she did to you? Leave her. Leave her alone. What did she did to you? Leave her. Leave her alone.
Onyebuchi, where's the fine?
I don't understand. Am I Ifanyi's bodyguard? Now I don't understand where the question is coming from.
Onyebuchi, I'm asking you because you're the last person I saw with him. That's why I'm asking.
My friend, if you don't know what to say, you get out! Is that why you stopped me here?
You're a repugnant swine. Buchi, you are a repugnant swine. How dare you? You are a very callous person. You told Ifanyi that the wife was dead. Same you made him not to visit the wife in the hospital. How callous can you be? How callous can you be? How?
You can say whatever you want to say.
You're a junkie.
It's not my business.
Really?
If you touch me, all the came on, I'm well. If you touch me, young girl, a kochak and ketala, you go and rest.
You're a junkie.
Idiot.
You're a junkie.
Idiot.
Village town.
Nonsense.
I don't blame you.
Listen,
I blame Ifanyi who associates with you.
Listen, if you talk to me again about going in this village, I'll shoot you.
Wait for me there. I'll run over you.
If you talk to me again in this village about
Wait for me there.
Idiot. Nonsense. Don't shame. How dare you talk to me?
Beware of friends you keep, 'cause some friendly friends, they are everywhere. Beware of people around you, 'cause they will kill you.
For days now, I've not heard from Ifanyi or seen him. I hope he has not started avoiding me. Or Is he avoiding me so that I will not know his plan about what he told me the last time he came to my house? Sugar, man. Baby, man. How are you?
You know what? Please come to my house. I want to see you. Very important. Rush down to my house now, please.
Is that? Okay, please, I'm coming now, huh? You will see me now. Baby, man. You know I love you. You know I always love you. Don't worry, I'm coming right there now, okay? Alright. Madam. Who's there? How much is your money? Huh? 100.
Chelukwa, I hope she did not follow that her friend that came to see her. Nke bụ nwa m nwoke, I don't know where he is. Onye nke a, I don't understand. I've not seen him. Ego! What is going on with this? Ego!
God, what kind of life is this? What kind of life is this? My mates are happily married. Why is my own like this? No. Why is my own like this? My husband does not care about me. God, I beg you. If this is a punishment for my sin, then take my life. Take my life. God. Just take my life. I am tired.
Ego.
My
Never
own
came
is
up.
different.
I've been calling you since.
My own is different.
Huh? Okay. No, it's okay. Stop crying.
What kind of a life is this? Is it not better that I am dead than alive? Let me just join my parents, Mama. Let me just join my parents, Mama. Let me just join my parents.
No, it's okay. Nothing will happen to you.
Let me join my parents.
No, you will live for me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
I'm tired.
Fighting and quarreling every night. Fighting and quarreling every night. God don't shame your enemies. If you follow, I got so you find like this, yeah. You're so beautiful, God have wiped your tears. So you find like this, yeah. You're so beautiful, God have wiped your tears. No more sorrow again, the devil has done. Your God have remembered you. What do you want? Good things, no they come late at all. No matter the time, it must come. In a chicken, in a man. I'll fulfill the good. Jump if you go Ganya. Jump if you go Ganya. Suffer don't end, it don't end. God have wiped your tears. God have wiped your tears away. I'll fulfill the good. Oh my God. Jump if you go Ganya. God.
Good afternoon, man.
Is this a khaki?
Oh, yes,
ma'am.
Oh, yes, Mama.
Who's
now a car owner.
You?
Yes, Mama.
What the Buchi? Don't tell me that car is yours.
Of course, it's mine.
Hi! Congratulations! How come you didn't tell me now, huh? Why?
Thank you.
Hey! Mama, my friend now owns a car. Hey!
Please, Annie, go in and dress for something good, eh? We're going out.
Huh?
I want to go on.
No, not now. No, not now. Not now. Another time.
Mama, why now?
Ifeanyi and I had already planned on going somewhere before you came. So go and dress up, guys.
Go where, Mama? Change of plans. We cannot be talking of bad news when we have good news. You say we are going to do what?
We're going to ball.
Ball. Mama, we are going to ball. Change of plans. We are going to do what? Ball. Ball. My brother, for my man son.
Please hurry up, please.
Listen, I'll call you to let you know if it's possible for me to meet you or not, okay? You need to be extremely careful with the way you call me. I will just prefer text message, okay? Let me be the one to always call you, okay? That's fine. I'll call you back now.
You ended the call because you saw me.
Am I afraid of you? So I will end my call because of you. As what? What can you do? Besides, do you even know who I was talking with?
Anyway, it's none of my business. It's none of my business.
Oh, thank God you know it's none of your business. So stop prognosing.
I am not prognosing. You just ended the call because you saw me.
Gotcha. Excuse me.
This girl has an ace up her sleeve. She ended the call because she saw me.
Negodi no nwa chukwu keleke. Hey! Ada na-eli ukwu anụ. No, tell me, who will compete with me in this village? No. Oh. Hey, Maka. Hey, Maka. You carry up, you carry back, you carry front. Hey, when I'm done with Ego, or whatever she call her name, she will run away from that house. Because I am so pretty. Ifeanyi, let me tell you. Ne makabiko potama, imaro mabiko. But I no sabi cook.
She has already told me everything. I know my wife. Huh? I know Boo. She can't do a thing like that. This idiot must have masterminded everything. Look at her.
Try it. Try it.
Ifeanyi, you said you've asked her. Did you ask me?
Oh.
Are you not supposed to hear from both sides before taking judgment?
Mba. Don't shut her up.
Why won't I shut her? I know my wife. She's peaceful, loving, beautiful. I know her. She doesn't look for trouble. This idiot must have masterminded everything. Now go to God. And most importantly, I want you to know that she is your senior wife. She has come to stay. Sorry, Jerry. Boo.
Listen, if this thing is not...
Mama, please. I wouldn't have you call my wife thin. Boo.
Baby, I want you to deal with her.
Don't worry, I will deal with her. It's just Mama.
You see?
Mama. Big you.
Look at